Hello guys! Welcome to my channel. I am Chabilita Herbias and I am a future educator. For today's video, I will give you the steps in making microteaching video and some tips that you can apply to avoid committing the same mistakes I made in my microteaching videos. So wala na putong-putong pa. Let's go! So before jumping to those steps, let's define first what is microteaching. According to Merriam-Webster, microteaching is a practice teaching in which a student teacher's teaching of a small class for a short time is videotaped for subsequent evaluation. So it is meant to be evaluated. Commonly, microteaching can last for about 8 to 10 minutes, which I almost doubled on the microteaching videos I prepared before. It will also depend on your professor because there are some allowed to create 10 to 15 minutes. So better ask your professor first before you start making your microteaching video. So here are the steps plus tips I can share with you in making a microteaching video. The first step is find your topic. Find an easy and short topic to discuss, okay? Make sure that your chosen topic can be discussed in a small amount of time. Just like what I said, the typical microteaching video is only 8 to 10 minutes long. You can divide each topic like in English if you choose to discuss the parts of speech, so you can focus on nouns only. In that way, you will avoid being overwhelmed and what they call broad topic, less knowledge. Okay? So download this tip and make sure to follow this. The second step is prepare a lesson plan. Of course, obviously, this is the second thing you need to follow after you choose your topic. In preparing your lesson plan, there are a lot of lesson plan formats that you can use. It will now depend on you or your professor about what format you need to follow. But if you are free to choose whatever you want, I personally suggest using the DepEd format because it is also a grant for you to practice how to make DepEd detailed lesson plan. My tip in making lesson plan, if your lesson plan exceeds 10 pages, you should stop. Because having more than 10 pages long lesson plan means you will have more time for execution. Remember, you only have 8 to 10 minutes. Be mindful of that. Also, a reminder, you should have smart objectives. You must be very good in every part of microteaching video, but you need to be more than very good in making objectives. Because that is the common mistake of pre-service teachers. The third step is prepare a script, okay? For me, this is very helpful in making a microteaching video. If you have a script, you will avoid committing mistakes. In my experience, when I don't have a script, I always tend to either forget important parts or add unnecessary words while taking videos, and that is annoying. So, the script will be a guiding map and it ensures that you cover all the important parts of your discussion. In the microteaching video, you are acting as if there are students who are listening to you and answering your questions during the discussion. So it will look and sound good if you have at least given 2 to 3 seconds of silence as a sign of hearing their imaginary response. Okay? The fourth step is to prepare needed tools for filming. Now that you have a script, you can now prepare for filming and recording. There are various ways to deliver your lesson. It can be through PowerPoint or Canva presentation or manual editing through different editing apps. So, the things that you need to prepare for filming are the camera, microphone, backstrap, and a quiet place. In camera, a mobile camera is absolutely fine as long as it can produce quality videos. And for microphone, you can have a microphone that can be bought at Shopee or that can be buy on Shopee or Lazada, and they do not cost too much. If you don't want you can also have your headphones with a microphone. Just put a hairpin as a holder for it, then clip it on your collar. Then for your script, I recommend using the elegant teleprompter. It is downloadable on the Play Store. You don't need to write on paper all your script and then paste it on the wall. That is time consuming. The elegant teleprompter is easy to use. Just install it, add the script, you can copy paste it from your file, then you can adjust the speed, then click this icon and you are now ready to go. I wish I had known this app before because during my filming for my microteaching videos, I memorized every sentence in my script. The fifth step is start filming. So in filming, make sure that there are no background noises. But I know that they are hard to avoid, especially those tik-tilaoks, broom broom, and ow ow ow, right? Well, there are noise cancellation apps naman like Filmora, okay? So you can use that to, to minimize the noise on your video. And the last step is the editing. After you have filmed yourself, make sure to sort out the raw videos. Delete the mistakes so that it is easy for you to edit. You can use CapCut if you are using a mobile phone, and Filmora if you are using a laptop or a desktop computer. And you can also use both to have a very good output. So that's all. Those are my suggested steps and tips on making a microteaching video. So disclaimer lang, following those steps and tips help me a lot, but it doesn't mean it will also work on you. Depende pa rin talaga ito sa preference at execution mo. So I hope this video will help you in making your microteaching video. Good luck! I know you can do it. Padayon lang. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please press the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Again, this is Mom Chubs. Teaching is my passion and my #1 mission is to make you a better person. Goodbye! Have a safe day, everyone!